The National Investigation Agency NIA arrested a key accused at Imphal Airport as part of border investigation into transnational conspiracy involving insurgents and terrorist groups aiming to escalate violence in Manipur and spread terror across the northeastern states. The accused, identified as Tongming Tang Haokip, alias Thangpoi Haokip, alias Roger, is a member of the Kuki National Front Military Council (KNF-MC). He has been apprehended under various sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in a case registered suo motu by the NIA on July 19 last year. According to the NIA statement, the conspiracy was orchestrated by Kuki and Jommi insurgents backed by terrorist organizations in the northeastern states and neighboring Myanmar. Their objective was to exploit the ongoing ethnic unrest in the region and wage war against the government of India through violent attacks. Roger was found to have been actively involved in attacks on security forces at multiple locations during the insurgency and violence. He was also in contact with the insurgent group Kuki National Front Burma (KNFB) in Myanmar, seeking logistic support to escalate the volatile situation in Manipur and instill fear among the populace. NIA investigations further revealed that Roger had meetings with leaders of PDF, KNFB Myanmar to procure arms, ammunition and explosives for use in the ongoing violence in Manipur. He confessed to partaking in several armed attacks against security forces and rival groups in the state, acknowledging his affiliation with Kuki National Front, Military Council and United Tribal Volunteers.